Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix one thing. Setting is killing your internet speed on iPhone. Is your iPhone internet suddenly slow? Website takes forever to load, videos keep buffering and app feels laggy? The problem might be on hidden setting on your iPhone, so it's called low data mode. Let me show you how to fix now. First, there is low data mode. Low data mode is designed to save internet data, but the downside is that it slows down your internet speed. It limited background activity, reduce quality and pause update. This is the great if you try to save data, but terrible if you want fast internet. Now let's turn it off. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. If you are using Wi-Fi, then tap Wi-Fi. Then tap on eye icon next to the connected Wi-Fi network. Now look for the low data mode. If it is on, turn it off. This is for Wi-Fi. Now let's check for mobile data too. Go back to the setting, tap on mobile data or cellular, then tap mobile data option. If low data mode is selected, change it to standard or allow more data on 5G. Once you do this, your internet speed should instantly improve. Your app will refresh faster, your video will play in high quality, download will be quicker. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.